Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay temporary unavailable. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your Apple Pay is temporarily unavailable, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have connected to strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management. And here if you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go back and here go for a software update, and you have to try to update your software. And then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from confirmation message. So it might be if there will be any error or issue in your network settings, so it will fix in the step, it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this, and after that you just have to go for screen time, for content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to disable all the restrictions like that. So once you have done, and if you are still having the same issue, you have to go to your Apple ID, and from here you have to try to sign out and then re-sign in or re-log into your Apple ID on your iPhone, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if you are still having the same issue, you just have to open your browser and you have to simply search for applesport.apple.com or Apple Sport. You can search for Apple Sport here, and from here you have to open the first website and then select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad or any other iPhone device. So I'm going to select iPhone. Then scroll down and until you find Get Sport option. Select the star now until the Get Sport here. And from here you just have to select subscriptions and purchases. And from here you just have to select any option. For example, I'm going to select help with iCloud Plus. Then select continue, and here you will get different options, but you have to select the get more help. Then select callers, and here you will get a number for Apple Support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will contact the Apple Support team member and you can get official help from there. So in this way you can easily fix your issue if your Apple Pay is temporarily unavailable. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.